Hey, good morning everyone. It's absolute privilege to welcoming you all the thrilling and enlightening quiz show inspired the Ionic Kormanika Korpati, a stage where knowledge meet opportunity and where curiosity leads to grow. Quizzes like this remind us of the importance of the learning, not just for the exam, but for the life. It's every question in the invention and explore to the connect the dots and a burden of the horizontal. In today's quiz, we have deep dive into vast ocean of the knowledge spanning history, geography, science, sports, current affair, and much more. Just like the KBC, our quiz is designed for challenge you, excite you, make you think. But remember, it's not just about the answering you. It's about how you approach the challenges and how reason thought possibility and how you stay calm under the pressure. We also brought along the life to the help you because of the life is much like this quiz is not about the knowing the everything about the team and asking the right question and making the best use of the resource you have as we beginning this journey of intellect and the excitement. Remember, every question you face today is the step forward, becoming more informed, more confident, more ready to tackle the world. So sit back and stay curious, and let's find out the who among will rise you the top, become the ultimate champion. Best of luck. So for I'm going to the simple step. First of all, I show you from the beginning how you. So this is a login and sign up page, right? So you need to sign up. You need to fill your name, phone number, email ID, and password, right? And after that successfully login, you need to put your login into the login. After that, you need to sign your password. After successful login, so if you not purchase code, so add to the enroll wish list. So after enrolling wish list, you need to select the courses, right? KVC one, add to card, and click on the buy now option. And after you buy now, right? So I already buy, so I not buy again. So I exit this page and I show you after the login. So I buy now with this ID. Yeah. So you can see if you buy the course, so it will look like that, right? You can able to see the enrolled courses. Okay? So after that, you need to select KVC prep, right? And after click here, so you can see all the syllabus, right? We covered all the topic wise, right? In 2000, 2001, 2003, which kind of question is comes, right? So each this is a topic and let's say syllabus, right? So you can each and every topic has more than 100 200 question and those are directly come to KVC quiz. So right? So you need to see total 60 we have like tutorials and there is practice question 61 62 and the final one is a final challenge for the score, right? So you need to click here continue to lesson And here you can see there is five type of mainly question, right? So you can see we have topic wise question, right? Asian, like Asian, Indian, urban civilization, right? So we all the question come from the Asian, Indian history, urban civilization, right? So you can see the relevant question will show all the, so it will great quiz. And if you quit, so you want to quit or cancel it, so that quiz, mainly because of that you need to select out of like which is correct, right? So you need to select if it's wrong, so it will showing wrong. If you it's correct, then submit, right? And if you click in any wrong, right, and submit, so there is one wrong and one correct, right? So it in at the end of the quiz it will show one correct and one is wrong, right? This is the first kind of question we have. And second kind of question, uh, we have this quiz, right? So this is basically it will give you result at the end of the quiz, right? If you global warming, right? So submit, next. So you need to select whichever is correct and submit and next, right? So at the end of the quiz it will showing one correct, three is wrong, right? This is second type of question we have. And third kind of question we have, arrange the order, right? So in the QVC examination, we also has this arrange the sequence kind of question, right? So you need to see, you need to drag and drop, right? What was the correct sequence, what was the rainbow order, right? So, yeah, if it is incorrect it will showing incorrect, not showing the next question. If it's correct, then it's showing the next question. So this is second kind of question, third kind of question. And fourth kind of question, you need to see, right? So you need to select the capital of, right, correct the match order. So you need to select in drop down what was the correct. Submit. So it is incorrect, then restart again. So this is a fourth kind of question we have. And after that